In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Finance portfolios and check stocks performance. By the end, you'll have a clean, trackable portfolio and know exactly where to see your gains, losses, and trends. First, open your browser and head to Google Finance. This is Google's dashboard for markets, real-time quotes, and company news. It works best when you're signed in, so make sure you're logged into your Google account. Being signed in keeps your portfolio saved and accessible across devices. Once you're on the Google Finance homepage, look for the portfolio section and choose the option to create a new portfolio. Give your portfolio a clear, memorable name. Something like Long-Term Core or Tech Watch List helps you stay organized. Don't worry, you can rename it later if your focus changes. With the portfolio created, click Add Investments to start entering your positions. In the search box, type the stock you want to add. You can use either the company name or the ticker symbol. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct listing, especially if the company trades on multiple exchanges or has similar looking symbols. When the right match appears, click it to add the asset to your entry form. Next, enter the quantity of shares you own. This should be the number of shares you purchased. If you're tracking a hypothetical position, enter the amount you'd like to simulate. Then choose the purchase date. Setting the date allows Google Finance to use historical prices to estimate your cost basis and calculate performance from the right starting point. If you made multiple buys on different dates, you can add them as separate entries for more accurate tracking. When everything looks good, click Save. Your holding will now appear in the portfolio view. Here's where you check performance. You'll see real-time price updates, daily change, and overall profit or loss based on your purchase date and quantity. Use the chart to switch timeframes and see how your portfolio or individual holdings have performed over different periods. You can sort by market value, day change, or performance to quickly find what's driving your returns. Add more investments the same way to build a complete picture, and edit or remove entries anytime if you need to make corrections. That's it. You've created a Google Finance portfolio and learned exactly where to monitor your stock's performance. Keep it updated, review trends regularly, and use it as a simple, free hub to stay on top of your